Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make an origami flamingo. This is the flamingo. Okay. My paper will be 20 by 20 centimeters and my paper is going to be colored on one side and white on the other. It's going to be purple. So our first step with the colored side up is to fold in half diagonally. So one, and then the other side. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna fold vertically, unfold, and horizontally. Okay, now we're gonna flip it back and we're gonna push all the corners to the middle, forming a square. This is how your paper should look like. Okay. Now, we're just gonna rotate the thing and the open side should be facing away from you. We're gonna take one layer and fold it to the middle line. Now, the other. This is how it should look. Now we're gonna turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, this is how your paper should look. Now we're gonna unfold and lift the top layer off and adjust it. And now we're gonna fold in using the existing creases. Now we're gonna fold down. Just reinforce. This is how your paper should look. Now we're just gonna lift this up and reinforce here. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just reinforce and fold it up. Now we're gonna rotate like this and we're gonna take one layer, so this one, and we're gonna fold it in half. We are making the legs of the flamingo. We're gonna do that on both sides. This is how it should look. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. This is how it should look. Okay, now we're just gonna turn it over and we're just gonna fold the right side of the leg in half again. It's kind of tricky, but you should get the hang of it. Now we're gonna do the same thing. this is how it should look. Now for the head, we're gonna open this up and fold it upwards. And we're just gonna tuck this inside. So it should look like this. Now we're just gonna pull it out, show more detail, and crease it at the bottom. This is how it should look. Now we're just gonna fold it again to make the head. So like this. Now for the wings, you're just gonna fold these down. And this is our flamingo, guys. Now we have 2. Okay? If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.